Today I'm going to show you how Row Zero is a really dynamic GUI for Postgres. Row Zero is a next-gen spreadsheet built for big data that works like Excel but handles billion-row datasets. To start, I've opened a Row Zero workbook and have directly connected my spreadsheet to a Postgres database. Row Zero is powerful enough to pull entire database tables directly into your spreadsheet. So you can write a simple select star statement and click Run to view your Postgres table. This is pulling in a dataset of 7.2 million US flights from 2018. It creates a connected table, which is a live connection to your Postgres database that dynamically updates as your source data updates. From here, you can leverage all the features and functions of a spreadsheet to analyze, filter, sort, pivot, and chart Postgres data. Everything stays in sync and connected to my source data in Postgres. Let's go through a few examples. So first, I'm going to add a calculated field for kilometers to convert miles here into kilometers. So I'm going to multiply my miles times 1.60934, and this gives me kilometers. This is just to demonstrate how calculated fields work. And next, let's take a look at pivot tables. So I can very easily create a pivot table that is going to be connected and in sync to my Postgres data. And for this pivot table, let's take a look at flight delays. So I'm going to pull in my origin, and I'm going to look at departure delays. We'll do a count of that, and we're going to filter to delays of at least 5 minutes. Okay, and I can obviously do a lot more here with my pivot table, but we'll just start here with a simple example. And then just to demonstrate some more formulas, I'm going to show a count if, and I want to just pull in the total number of flights by each origin. Okay, total flights. I can format both of these very easily. And I'm going to look at the delay rate. So we'll divide count of 5-minute delays divided by total flights, which will give the delay rate. All right. So you can see pretty high delay rates here for these airports. Now I have some small airports in here. I want to filter this to just be larger airports. So I'm going to go to greater than 100,000 flights. Okay. And let's chart this. So I can just select each column and chart. And I'm going to put the delay rate on the right-hand side in a line chart. Cool. Okay. Let's move my chart just to give us some more space to look at things. And everything stays in sync. So I can sort based on largest flights, and it's going to automatically update my chart. Let's say I want to edit my pivot table to look at delays of at least 60 minutes. I can do that and everything updates. So my delay rate that I calculated updated dynamically and the chart updated dynamically. I can also come and filter my connected table, and it's going to also update everything down here. So let's look at just American Airlines flights. You can see things updated. I'm going to go back to my original calculated field here and look at flights that were more than 500 kilometers. You can see everything stays in sync and updates dynamically. At any point, I can also double click in my connected table and go back to the editor here, so I can edit my SQL, I can rerun it, and I can also schedule updates. As you can imagine, this is just scratching the surface. By supporting massive data sets, Row Zero enables a much faster feedback loop. You can write one simple SQL statement and leverage all of the features and functions of a spreadsheet to analyze your data in real time without writing complex SQL, running more queries, and waiting for runtimes. If you're using a basic Postgres viewer or exporting from Postgres to CSV to analyze static Postgres data in Excel, it's time to try Row Zero.